to Naija Matter for Newstown on All News Nigeria TV, and I am Praise Gani reporting for All News Nigeria TV. And yes, we are at one of the most popular newsstand right here in Lagos to know which issue is the most disturbing to Nigerians. Do stay with us.
What is on table now is the NDDC issue. To me, NDDC from time immemorial has been a conduit pipe. Appointees use NDDC as a ground to siphon money. The whole place needs a forensic audit. Probably they should go back as far back as even the 80s to audit the NDDC till date. We continue to hear a lot of stories, counter accusations, allegations from NDDC every day until that place is completely cleaned up. Appointees to the NDDC has always been political patronages, and it shouldn't be. It's not based on competency. I don't see what people at NDDC is doing is even a duplication of the works of the Ministry of Works. They deal with infrastructure issues, they deal with roads and all that, and schools. What is the Ministry of Works doing? It's their job. So we continue to have duplications in Nigeria, and that is where we siphon or we waste public money. Look at the issue EFCC, ICPC, Nigerian Police Force. It's all duplication. I've been saying it from time. This democracy is becoming more and more expensive for Nigerians. We should jettison this kind of government. Democracy as it is, we cannot practice it. It's too expensive for us.
I pity NDD, I pity the average Niger Deltans, and I pity average Nigerians, because the present crop of politicians that we have, I don't think they have any solutions to our problems. So what we have, for me, in my opinion, is we don't have leaders. What we have is rulers. So it is only God. We don't know whether, if that Messiah will be here I don't know what to say. I just pity average Nigerians. Then I don't want to limit it to NDDC alone. It cut across all the federations. And let me say, I've been saying this for the past 10 years. I don't know, Nigerians, we are wickedly wicked. Permit me to use that word. And for me, Nigeria, what is the synonyms of Nigeria? Corruption. How did you come about Nigeria in the first place? The structure is faulty. Until we unbundle this current structure, I don't think this system can work, particularly for the masses. Until we unbundle these systems. My party word is Nigeria, in my opinion, is a failed state.
Yesterday, I was by the TV watching all the things that was happening. Thank God for the lady that came, the woman, the ex-NDCC woman. She explained everything, which shows that she is very right. She talk as what all that happened there. You understand what I'm saying now? So if she can boldly come out to say these are things that happen, then she should be given she will have been given a preference, second chance of doing her work. That's what I'm saying now. For the Akpabi of 18, why must he dictate for the woman? You understand what I'm saying now? He's not supposed to dictate for the woman what to do. She has been appointed the job to do, and she should have been allowed to do her job. She said she spent 8 billion for what she said, but it was said the whole money was 81 billion. How come about 81 billion? If she's not right with what she said, she cannot come out to defend herself. After she was talking from, I think Abuja or Port Harcourt, I don't know. She couldn't attend the meeting of yesterday, but she was talking on Zoom that this is what happened. If she can come out to explain herself, I think she should be considered as a faithful woman or a sincere woman.
The NDDC issue is like we don't have a law in this country that guides us. You know, most people have been doing that for our commonwealth and taken away. But there's no drastic punishment for the past offenders, and that's why we are bringing this in today. How can the minister, look at Niger Delta for instance, they've been suffering over there. Our wealth come from that region, but today some people in their corners, they cover all the wealth that comes to me and you. Most of them will buy, plan away, go abroad, buy a lot of money, buy a lot of cars, and people are suffering. In that region, if you see that region today, it's supposed to be in money. most of the religion today, now, and I mind you, Nigeria was blessed. Every state of this country have resources, one thing, maybe one or two of things or the other. But because we have a bad constitution, to me, my prayer is that by 2023, let God give us grace. If we can change that constitution, Nigeria could be better off. Because most youth today can easily be in society. Most of them are roaming about. That's why we make a lot of crime. It's happening today. We have means. Nigeria is supposed to be the best of in the world today because we have the resources that God has given to us. But we have the leadership we have, they are evils. And that's what I want to say. Because that issue now, we don't know, even this case now, we have to end it, nobody knows. But another crime, this kind of thing, let me just give an example. In China, they are more than, the most populated in the world are China, and Chinese people. They have a law. Anybody that took their commonwealth, it's by death. They don't do it. Maybe we try some people. I remember those they were this armed robber, they kill them. If they can try it, maybe people will stop all this rubbish. I think that's what I want to say.
Yeah. NDDC, when he took over, when he hijacked, why can't the woman came, the former interim DC come and say the MD hijacked the DC? Up now, he's not talking about this thing. After the things has fallen apart, let me tell you, my daughter, things has fallen apart. They have nothing to say about that. I'm from Niger Delta. When the issue comes, we will rise and we will stand against them. Let them continue. You are talking about coronavirus, talking about NDDC, corruption upon corruption. The former ESC boss has now been quizzed for corruption. Then who is fighting corruption? Can corruption fight corruption? But what I know is that at the end time, God will intervene the issue of this country. Because if the government have the feeling of the people at heart, they will make sure that they are comparing all that to send to other foreign countries that are giving palliative to their people in their own domain. Here they are collecting money and they are telling that they are spending this and this. Anyway, we don't have leadership in this government. All of them are typically backside and non-entity. Who doesn't have human feeling? They don't have fear of God at all. And God will continue to punish them.
The NDD issue is something that calls for a lot of attention. In that area, they set up that agency for the development of that Niger Delta. And those people in a position, they are indigenous of Niger Delta. So they know their problem. That's why they put them there. So they're supposed to do their job diligently as a citizen and an indigene of that area. So what is happening there is very amazing. That they award contracts, share the money, they didn't do anything. There is no project, no tangible project for the benefit of their citizens, which is very bad. So I think it's wrong for them to just embezzle the money allocated to that region.
Alright guys, that will be all for today on Naija Matter for Newsstand on All News Nigeria TV. And I am Praise Gani reporting for All News Nigeria TV. Do well to like this video, drop your comments on the issues discussed here, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. See you next time.